So this is the famous na mga checkpoints here. Hopefully, one of the few last checkpoints. Siguro today we passed mga more than 30 checkpoints from Pagadian going here. So iba-ibang checkpoints. You have army checkpoints, marine checkpoints, PNP checkpoints.
Marine, Army, PNP.
Marami. So
Pati ano pa, yung quarantine, health
check.
checkpoints.
This is still kahit na paano the most militarized part na ng Mindanao.
Which is good because we were able to pass safely.
Ganun.
We haven't totally passed through yet, but 90%.
So dadaan kami sa yung famous na town ng Sharipagok. Remember yung mga media men na nililibing yung Maguindanao massacre. But this place, that town is pa naman peaceful na siya. Attorney Sheriff Abbas. Oh, Comelec to Oh yan, former Comelec
Bakit? Takot pa siya?
Well, you know.
Ayun yung namatay ang wife.
Siya ba yan?
Not sure.
See oil here. Ito yung labasan natin. Okay. So we had one of the cheapest na diesel kanina na binili. Na so far okay naman, hindi naman nasira yung sakyan. Kasi supposedly Shell, pero we have to go inside Pagadian mga 10 kilometers, then balik ulit na 10 na to 20. So we decided to refuel in one of the best na fuel stopover fueling stations in the entire country.
Grabe naman yan.
Nasa,
Endorsement.
nasa Labangan pala, Pagadian. Gold plated yung CR. No? Malinis. Considering that it's only a white station. Okay? Tiga.
Tapos